Opening shot. Hook midnight to 0:05. Speaking head voiceover. Zoom saved hundreds of hours using AI-generated avatars. Here's how they did it. Cut 2. Visual of Zoom logo plus Synthesia avatar talking. Section 1. The problem 0:06 to 0:15. Speaking head voiceover. Zoom's Academy needed to train customers faster, but video production was slow and expensive. Chart increasing visual, traditional filming, cameras, mics, studio setup with a timer counting up hours. Section 2. The solution 0:16 to 0:30. Speaking head voiceover. Enter Synthesia. With AI avatars and text-to-video tech, Zoom cut production time by over 50%. Visual. Side-by-side, old method, 10 hours. New method with Synthesia, 4 hours. Bar chart, and guess what? Chart increasing, they created more content, in more languages, at half the cost. Section 3. The impact 0:31 to 0:50. Speaking head voiceover. Today, Zoom's AI videos reach millions of users worldwide, helping them learn faster. Globe showing Europe, Africa visual. Zoom Academy plus AI avatars speaking different languages. Megaphone statistic flash. White heavy checkmark 50% time saved. White heavy checkmark 50% cost reduction. White heavy checkmark multi-language support in days. Outro. CTA 0:51 to 0:59. Speaking head voiceover. Want to scale like Zoom? AI video might be your secret weapon. Subscribe for more AI case studies. Pushpin visual. Follow at AI Magic for more.